Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open up a Metro Bank savings account online. So it's actually pretty straightforward once you know exactly where to click. So simply start by going to the Metro Bank website. From here, you then have to click on the login button in the top right corner. So don't worry, you're not logging in yet. Just look below the login fields for the sign up link and click that. You'll then be able to see a proceed to login button, which will then take you to the registration form. So from here, you will then have to fill in some personal information. So they're going to ask for your username and password. So simply make sure your username has at least 8 characters and your password is something secure that you're also going to be able to remember. Then enter your first name and last name. And if you want to, you can also add your middle name and a nickname. You also need your 13-digit account number and account alias. You also need your country, mobile number, and email address. And don't forget to check the box confirming you understand how to bank securely. So this is just Metro Bank making sure you're aware of safe practices. And once that's all done, just submit the form and your online savings account will then be set up. And after that, you will then be able to start managing your account, set up deposits, and track your savings right from their app or website. So that's really it. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.